So in this video, I'll show you step by step the possible method to add Gcash as payment method on Canva. So if you want to add payment method Gcash, let's try it. After you open up your canva.com, go to your profile. After you go to your profile, click on the settings. So after you open the settings, now scroll to down in this option and go to billing. So under the billing, now here is option where to ask you to add in your payment method. So scroll to down. So now here is my payment method. So now if I want to update this payment method to Gcash, I'll just click on this change button. If you click on the change button like this, so if the option for the Gcash is available, it will be able it will you'll be able to see it in this option. But as you can see now, for now the option for the Gcash is not available on the Canva website. So just click on this cancel button, then scroll to down and click on this billing details. So click on this add details button. So under the add details, as you can see now, at the same time, there is no option for you to add the Canva, to add the Gcash as a payment method on your Canva website. So for now, Canva is not allowed to use Gcash. So as you can see now, the Gcash is not available on the Canva. You can only use your credit card for the payment method on your Canva website. But we hope in the future, Canva will add a payment method for the Gcash users. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.